All right. Hello, how you doing? Um, it's that time of the month. No, not that time of the month. Double rewards, double mileage time. So I'm gonna go through and do some pack openings and some combos and stuff. So, I'm gonna go ahead and collect my diamond pack. I got 3,500 in the pick 'em event points. So I'll pick this, and I'm gonna try to turn it into team selective diamond. Go to club crafting. There we go. Might as well do it. Even though I'll probably get the same card that I already have, or I already have like 7 of, but it's all good. Right now we are gold 3, our club, so doing good. Hopefully we finish strong, stay gold 3. All right, let me see. Let's go ahead and go through here, and we will start. Let's open the diamond first, because sometimes you get that and then you get rid of cards that you might have used to upgrade it. What do I need more? 2020 Tatis, 2020 Machado. Definitely not either of those guys. Looks like a Cameron Raven. All right. He is not the card I was looking for. But that's how this game is, right? What did I say earlier? I think I got a diamond right there. At least one. Let's see what we got. Who's that? Chris Davis? No. It's pitcher. I'm going to go with Miller. Not good skills. Well, at least all gold. Live season ultimate. No lightning. No diamonds. This is Jace Peterson? Yeah. This is all going to be like special training material, combo material. This is what it's looking like. Andrew Miller again. It's kind of what I was saying earlier, but come on, I never get no diamonds. Never get any diamonds in this. One of my favorite parts about being at an Olympic Games. All right. So today I'm gonna sit down for some spicy ramen. I probably will use those for vintage combos. You guys have been here before, right? Live season, team selective. Do several of these. We'll do all 5 of these. Tatis. Hopefully he's not injured too bad. Last night he hurt that same damn shoulder that he hurt earlier in the season. I haven't heard anything yet. I will be watching the game in a little bit and hear it then. The good thing is every time Tatis comes back from an injury, he hits a home run. So, all right, Melanson, the Shark. These are actually decent cards I'm pulling right now. They're just all silvers. Paddock 21. He's having a better year this year than he had last year, which is, great, I guess. But what was it, that 2019 season? He was ridiculous. That's the card I have of his anyways. Another 21 Tatis. I want that 2020 Tatis diamond. This game refuses to give it to me. All right. Let's do this. We'll grab the other 2. All right, Greg Vaughn. I already have him as a black diamond though. So I can't even use that for black diamond material. Pomeranz. Alright, let's go ahead and start opening some of these up. Alright, take a guess how many diamonds I'll get in the next 50 packs that I open. I'm gonna guess 1. And how many primes will I get? 0. That Woodruff, I wish the Padres would have picked him up, but the Brewers are doing pretty good. They have a solid little squad there. They're definitely tough. And those pitchers are legit. Alright, so if you guessed 0, you were correct. Well, actually, I have 10 more, so let's see. No, you're still correct. There's Land Shark again. I need to get him in a diamond as well. Alright, let's look at upgrade real quick. No, I'm not going to do that. Alright, let's do a few little combos. Oh yeah, one thing I want to do too is I want to get these diamond experience. Some I buy every month around this time. Helps me train these guys up. Alright, combine. So I'm going to do some diamond ones. I'm going to do some vintage ones. I think I'm going to do some all-star ones. And I think I might do a SIG one. So there we go. There's an all-star one. I'm not sure if that's what I wanted, but that's just how this game is, right? Maeda, if I had a Dodger team, that would be a card I'd probably not combo. Then Duffy. It takes so much to get these damn SIG packs, and this is the stuff they give me. And I just give me a Padre, please. Well, that is a Padre, but he's with the Tampa Bay Rays, I believe, right? I think that was Tommy Pham. Let me see, where's he at? Tommy Pham, Tampa Bay. Yeah. All right, let's do a vintage. There you go, a gold at least. I have not got a legend on this team yet. I have not got one legend on this team. Damn, Tommy Pham, why can't you be on the Padres? I guess I gotta be more specific next time. Screw it, I'm gonna do this all-star. I ain't using these guys. Mustakas. All right. Whatever. All right, we're gonna do some diamond. I think I have some. There's that Gossman again. He's doing really good on the Giants. Lester 09. None of these are what I want. So I'm just gonna. Ooh. All right. I'm gonna go with 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Chichi Gonzalez. Try to make this exciting for you guys, but nothing is happening right now. Diaz is an 86, but he's up, so he's probably an 81. I'm just going to touch the screen with all my fingers. And I got the guy with the glasses. Cool. Rob Nack. Oops. Chi. Let's see. I'm just going to throw you in there with some of these. There you go. Second time I saw Vladito today. This one actually looks better. 121 power. Oh shit. Whoops. All right. Well, what number do we want to go with? Well, the Olympics volleyball, beach volleyball 2-on-2 is in the round of 16, so I'm going to go with 16, starting from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Damn it. All right. That Vlad's a cool card. I would like to have it. I think I got an older version of it. I don't know. See what I can do with this Pomeranz. I'll never use that card. So right now I'm on level 19 for Mentor. I want to get to level 20, but level 20 you have to have all 90 plus players on the Padres or on the team you're doing, if it's to help me out. So I am kind of trying to save a lot of these players up. Morejon. At least get him to level 3. Then I can go open some more packs. Trying to see how long this video is for you guys. Make no monthly payments for the rest of the summer on all Silverado 1500 crew cab pickups. Plus, get 2.49% financing for 72 months and get a total value of $2,500. Make sure I don't get one of my SIGs in there. Schwarber Player of the Month. Need that card maybe. All-Stars. Paddock, I could turn that gold and use them for black diamond pieces. Alright, we'll get them to level 3. Get them to level 3. Hopefully that helps eliminate some of these come from behind club losses. You know what? There we go, level 3. What do I get? Some fastball. We'll take it. We will take it. I'm just going to do a regular combo with some gold, maybe. That's why I stopped doing that. Whatever. 3,000. Nope. So it's going to be some time before I get to that. Maybe next month. All right. Let's get back to this. Back to business. All right. There is my first diamond from these premium packs today. Is it a Padre? It won't let me drag it again. Whatever. What can you do, right? Jeff Jenkins. I believe that's who it is. That guy had some pop. It won't even let me show the back of the card. Primes, diamonds. That's what I want. There we go. Do I get both? No. And I can't drag it or pull it. That is not Vladito. That's Dolis. Jorge Mateo. Another diamond. Let me pull it. Merriweather. Looks like a decent card, but not going to use it. Well, at least on my team. No diamond. No prime. Seems like I only get primes in end of season player pool now. Darvish. Perez. Did I get another pack? Nope. Urias.
We took the truck that helped build this country and made it so it can power our homes. We took the vehicles businesses use to keep the lights on.
I actually have some more combo material. It looks like.
What's the ETA?
ASAP, FYI.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at this gift. It's gift. FWRW.
ROTFL.
You see my IM?
TLER.
What?
Okay.
We don't need any more acronyms, but we could all use more ways to say.
That Goldsmith is nice. That Arenado is nice. Benintendi. It's all right. All right, I need to. Which number do we want to do? 17? All right. Row. Let me see my Klesko. Yeah, it looks like it'll take forever. Let me see if I could do some diamond one. All right, getting closer. You need to make sure I am not grabbing any of that SIGs. Just gotta do it my old way.
And their coaches help to empower them to do exactly that. 14-14. We have the families watching today's match. You see the Clays family in Fullerton, California. Hello to you, the Sponso family, and friends in Orlando. As this unlikely run.
All right, looks like we might be able to get him to level 8. Hopefully this go round. I don't know. We only have about 20 cards left in here. Nope, not him. Mr. S. Long Jr. There we go. Hell yeah. There we go. That card has been growing on me. He's been doing pretty good. I think I was upset when I got it because I wanted the 2020 Tatis and didn't get it. Seems like it takes forever to get these damn team SIGs. It's like the hardest thing in the world. Alright, now I will go open some more packs and see what we get. Damn, I still have like 96 of these. Team selective.
Another service there, so Canada has left the door open. As you might imagine, it is hot and humid. It's 86, feels like 90. The humidity is
Ian Kennedy.
Dave Blanton reporting a sand temperature of 100.
No diamonds.
We're tied at 17. All important first set. Once again, back to Bansley. It's tight.
probably do one more of these, one more set of 10, because they're not giving me any diamonds. And I'm gonna go try some team selective. Maybe the game will give me a diamond there. Diamond Steve Finley, or Diamond 2020 Tatis Machado. Oops, not that one. Yeah, we need to change this so you can be able to select like 10 packs of San Diego or whatever team of your choice, because this takes forever. Come on, diamond, diamond, diamond. That Clace girl, the redheaded girl in USA volleyball, she's pretty good. Watching her the other day. They're both really good. This game needs to get a prime Padre. We have no primes. We have no legends. We have some decent vintage. We're going to open 19 of these. Let's see if we get a card over 70. Let's go 76 overall. That guy's actually not bad. Probably not a great year for him because I didn't even know who he was last year. But this year he's been pretty good. Jerkson. I could turn that gold and use him as black diamond. That card's actually really good that I got. He plays well. I think I need to retrain him because he has like 125 speed. Grandal, I could use that for black diamond. Oops. Come on, come on. Klesko. He already have a black diamond. I guess they gave me some above 76. All right, Randy Jones, I think it is. That's a cool card. Perdomo. I got 5 more. 5 more. I'll save those other ones for next month or whenever I get a bunch of packs to open. Renfro, I need that for upgrade. don't need that guy.
For the United States. Set is back. Mansley. And that will do it. So the United States survives.
62 gold. Not bad.
24-22. The Americans
Not bad at all.
head into set two. Stay tuned.
Orejón otra vez. Come on, Renfro. I don't know if I should use stars on him because I don't know how long he'll be in my lineup. You know what? Double mileage time, I got him. I'll do it this time. Just for you guys. Make my team that much better, I guess, overall. Actually, I do Black Diamond. I am not going to get that Klesko to where I want to show you guys to level 9. Not today, right? So let me go to Black Diamond. Who did I have? Yasmani Grandal. Do I even have Yasmani? Yeah, I do. Wasn't sure if I used him in Mentor. Jerkson. That card's silver, right? Let's turn them gold real quick. If I have one. Yeah, I do. I do.
Take a look. I like the variety of what Kelly Clay's doing. Deep left corner, short right corner. Again to the deep left. And these are all things that she developed.
Got 221 Tatises, but they're both silver. We got Tommy Pham Sig on the Tampa Bay Rays. How many Black Diamond pieces I have? 26. There we go. Is that all I got for you guys today? I don't want to waste your time. I can save some of these packs for later, see if there's any that you might want to see. No. We'll do these AL Premium. Got some pop. We'll just do 10 more. I'll save the rest of those for next month. Ryu, he's pretty good. But he's going to be special grade material. All right, well, everybody, you have a great day. Thank you very much for watching the videos. Like I say, always leave feedback if you want. Questions, comments, suggestions, all that good stuff. All right, have a great day. Bye.